Quite a few reasons why we love working with Lenergy. So the relationship's a couple of years deep now, and we find that they're very, very good at learning the products inside out. They've done lots and lots of training. They're one of our biggest installers, but we probably hear from them less than a lot of other installers, which means they know the product inside out, and it means we're not going to be getting lots of silly phone calls asking how to install the product. So we've selected Lenergy as one of our gold installation partners, and we definitely recommend them to customers that are looking for a high quality installation for their battery system.
I looked online, as we all did, and there were so many positive reviews. I just couldn't ignore that.
I think the ease of dealing with Lenergy and the chaps who run it went across everything with me, so I felt confident.
Reputation, we'd heard that they were good. Our experience was excellent. Without any reservations, I would recommend Lenergy.
I can talk to them. I mean, this is the thing. I can talk to them and I can say, look, that's not what I want something, you know, and they take the time to listen and understand and figure out what you're trying to achieve. Whereas I think a lot of others, they just want to give you what their package is.
Being local really made a difference for us, and I thought, you know, if something did ever go wrong, we've got that, you know, really close support, and they were competitive. You know, I wasn't paying a premium to go with them. They were, you know, on par with some of the other companies as well.
Oh, absolutely. As a company that you can deal with, it displays a moral level of honesty about what they're presenting to you. Yes, I would recommend them.
I definitely have recommended and will continue to recommend Lenergy to others.
I definitely would. I don't often give referrals or endorsements, but after the job was installed here, I was impressed with the team.
Lenergy we found very good. I'm an electrician by trade myself, so look, they're all good young men, and the managers are very easy to talk to. If you've got a problem, you can ring them up. They're very polite, very professional. They know what they're doing with the solar system, so we were very happy with them.
I already have to many of my, having lived here for so long, I know a lot of people who are going down this path, so I always mention it, yes.
I already have, yeah. Definitely recommended to others, and we'll do so again, yeah, for sure, because they're local as well, which is really helpful to us.
I'm Clifford Brown. I'm the project manager and infrastructure manager for Avigen Australia. We are a business that runs 24/7, 365 days of the year. Power consumption is probably one of our biggest costs in getting these birds to the market. With the proposal, it was a 6-year payback, which is really a no-brainer. That's paying back the batteries and then the solar plus the install. So 6 years in the bigger scheme of things, where you're benefiting from it long-term, and beyond that is obviously far more beneficial to us as a business. Probably one of the biggest things that I have appreciated is just their communication. Big shout out to Winston. He's always been there, answered all my questions. I want to thank the team, Ziad and his boys, Jordan, for the install. They've been great with the communication. They've kept us in the loop. Each day we're getting feedback with photos and what they've done for the day. And that's really appreciated. These boys are a great team, and we appreciate having them here. It makes it so much easier for myself as the project manager to know we're in good hands.